Welcome to AI Revolution, where we dive deep into the world of technology and innovation. In today's episode, we embark on an extensive journey to explore the captivating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI. We're not just going to scratch the surface. We're going to dissect what AI is, how it works, and why it's pivotal to comprehend its intricacies. So, grab your notepads, because we're in for a comprehensive ride. Segment 1. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a multidisciplinary field that endeavors to create intelligent machines. At its core, AI aims to enable computers to mimic human cognitive functions, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Within AI, we find various subsets. Machine learning, a significant player, empowers computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Neural networks and deep learning are subfields within machine learning that have been pivotal in tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and even playing games like chess and Go. But AI is not limited to these areas. It extends to robotics, expert systems, and autonomous vehicles, among others. It's a vast, dynamic field that's continuously evolving. Segment 2. Why is AI important? Now, let's unravel the question. Why is AI so crucial? Technological advancements. AI is the driving force behind the technological breakthroughs we witness today. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Economic impact. AI is transforming industries and economies. It streamlines operations, increases efficiency, and leads to cost savings for businesses. Staying ignorant of AI's impact could mean missing out on opportunities or even losing relevance in the job market. Healthcare revolution. In healthcare, AI is enhancing diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. It can analyze vast datasets to identify disease trends and recommend personalized treatments. Personalization. AI is the secret sauce behind personalized experiences on platforms like Netflix and Spotify. It understands our preferences and tailors content accordingly. Ethical and societal implications. Understanding AI is crucial for addressing ethical concerns. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in the data they're trained on. Being aware of these issues is essential to ensure fairness and accountability. AI safety. As AI systems become more autonomous, understanding AI safety principles becomes vital to prevent unintended consequences. To grasp the full scope of AI's importance, we must delve into these facets and explore their implications thoroughly. Segment 3. Deep dive into AI applications. Now, let's take a deep dive into some real-world applications of AI. We'll discuss how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, transforming industries like finance, and even influencing our daily lives through smart home devices. Segment 4. The future of AI. Looking ahead, the future of AI is incredibly exciting but also raises questions about ethics, governance, and societal impacts. We'll discuss these challenges and potential solutions. Segment 5. Expert interviews. To gain more insights, we've invited AI experts, researchers, and industry professionals to share their perspectives on AI's present and future. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force that's reshaping our world. To navigate this dynamic landscape effectively, we must understand the fundamentals, the applications, and the implications of AI. It's not just about staying informed, it's about being actively engaged in the conversation about AI's future. If you've stuck with us through this in-depth exploration of AI, we commend your dedication to learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to embark on this incredible journey into the world of artificial intelligence.